Okay, sorry for the wind if you hear it. I got it trued up best I could, so now I'm going to go on the side of it to make the belt groove for it. Okay, you can see I've put a little groove in there. I might go a little deeper, but it's almost done. See what I do is I just put power to this thing, and it works as a lathe. As that's spinning, that is spinning on it. So, almost done. Alright, I think that's good enough. It's got a good deep groove. I'll show you which belt I'm going to use. I had that motor on there. I put magnets in it, neodymium, but it was not enough current to do anything. So this is an old fan blower motor from a Ford van, and here are the two. Just to get an idea how this is going to work. This is the belt, but I'm going to have to move one of these over. I'm probably going to move that one over. So it's definitely not tight enough. These were set up for that motor. So I'm going to move probably that one. Okay, I moved the motor over on some old holes that I drilled, but it still don't seem like it's probably going to slide, so I might have to move it over some more. Okay, so it's working. It's not falling off, but I'm going to run this on 24 volts. Maybe I can get some readings on what the motor's doing. Okay, right now it's only pushing 5 volts, but that battery's kind of low and it's only 12 volts, so I'm going to hook this system on 24 volts to run this to get it up to speed, because I know the current on this is probably good. Okay, I got 2 batteries hooked up. Not sure about this battery, it's kind of bad, and even with 24 volts it's not where I need it to be. So I don't know if this project's going to work for me. Okay, I switched out the battery. I would still like it to be higher than that. That's running 24 volts on this motor. It's running that motor. Not quite where I want it. I would at least like to see that at 13 or 13 and a half. But I got it lined up pretty good. It's not falling off yet. So maybe I can, what I need to do is make that pulley smaller, get more RPMs. That'll bring it up. Okay. Well, we've seen what this running at 24 volts does with this, which is almost at 13 volts. I was hoping it'd be more than that. Let's see what this whole operation, while it's running, what this motor can do. Right now I got it set up for this motor here. Okay, yeah, that's 30 volts, but the amperage on this little motor is not that great. So what I'm going to have to do is make that pulley way smaller so I can get some more RPMs out of it. It's a cool little machine though, but I don't know. I'll see what I can do with this thing. That's a lot of grinding on this one, but I can just easily make a smaller one because I don't want to have to turn this down. That would take forever. So what I might do is just cut me one smaller. We'll see what happens with this machine. See you next time.